All right, I got them cut into handles. Now I take them over to this machine. Give me just a second. I'll get you cranked up and looking at it. All right. First I put this, I zero it out. And I square the nose of these up. I'm going to go ahead and do the back end too. Now I set this at 30 degrees. All right. That's what the nose looks like now. That's what it looks like now. Probably got dust. Yes, you do. Dust all over you. All right, now I come over to the vise. Just a second. Now I send the nose of this up to about 800, starting with 180. And the reason I have to do the nose now is because once I get it on the knife, it's really hard to, well, it's nearly impossible to work on the nose after you epoxy it on the knife. So I get it all sanded up the way I want it to look when it's finished, right here. I got about probably 20 minutes of that to do, stepping up through the grits. And then we're ready for epoxy. All right, that's what it looks, sanded up to, I got it sanded up to 800. Now I'm going to go in and put it on my buffer, and I'll show you what that looks like, and then we're ready for epoxy. That is just a taste of what these handles are going to look like all buffed up. Oh man, that's going to be just absolutely gorgeous. Boy, I can't wait. All right. Well, let's go put these, let's go get these epoxied onto the knife. And tomorrow, I will get to shape these and start sanding. Okay, let's go back to the knife shop. All right. I can't wait to see it tomorrow. And the dinner skinner. Now, let us go back over here. And we'll start working on Jay Wallace's knife. Get his grind line sanded out. And I have two more people that want knives. One wants a BC Special with my logo on it. And I think there's just enough room up here to put a logo on it. And Desert Iron Wood, I haven't replied to him yet. I've got to wait till I get back to the house. We got to talk about desert ironwood. Desert ironwood is some of the most expensive wood out there. I don't have any, and if I order it, I asked for a deposit that covers ordering it, and I can get some Texas pins. I actually have some. They're very expensive, and I was going to save them for the Texas Rumble, and I haven't made it yet because, you know, I've been making stuff for other people. And there we go. Anyway, what are they? I think this was $45 for the Texas pin. And so basically, if you buy the desert ironwood and you buy the pins, I will charge you the normal price for my standard BC special, which is $155, and that is $155 includes satin finish, some really nice walnut, brass pins, a nice leather sheath, and that's $155. If you want, anyway, if you want better, you know, better wood and better pins, just add that on to the price of the knife, and we'll go from there. So anyway, let me get to sanding on this. Sweet mother of God, my hands are absolutely killing me. And this thing is red hot from all the sanding I've been doing. Okay, this is Jay Wallace's BC Special. And the belt there, I stopped at 60 grit on my belt grinder. So I had to sand the 60 grit lines out of here with 120. And that took some doing. One of these days, I'm going to roll my sleeve up and I'm going to show you a 60-year-old arm muscle that you won't believe. And it's from sanding. So I started with 120, I went to 180, and this is how we're looking with 180. For some reason you can see better with the lights off, but I can't. And now here is I got this in the mail today. This is my file jig and my jimping file. It's actually a checkering file, but I'm going to use it for jimping. And if I don't wear the file out too quick, I'll probably do this on every BC special. And unless somebody asks specifically for no jimping. But it doesn't hurt it's not going to be really deep. It doesn't hurt your fingers. But when you put your finger on the knife, your thumb, you know, it'll give you a lot of extra. And that is with gloves. It'll give you extra grip and a place to strike fire steel. Oh my goodness, I'll tell you what, I've been working all day out here. And I've made a lot of progress. I have a neck knife that somebody wants today, and a BC special that somebody wants. I think he wants it, but I sent him an email telling him how expensive ironwood was and the Texas pins, and if he buys the ironwood and the pins, I'll sell him the knife for what I usually get. So I have a cattle that's not spoken for yet. Okay, I'm going to the house. I'm whooped. See you tomorrow. Oh yeah, I got my these lights are fantastic, and I only have one up there on the other side of the bench grinder, and I bought another one. It came in today, and I can't for the life of me remember where I got these light bulbs. I'm gonna take this home and I'm gonna start Googleizing and see where I got them. It might be Lowe's, I don't know, but these are fantastic lights. I'm gonna keep using these. I did find some similar that I put in my Amazon cart, but if I can find these, I'd rather have them because I know they're plenty bright. Okay, well, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I will sand on the Stonewashed inner skinner and mystery buyer's knife. Okay, I just want to show you a muscle.
Oh, it hurts.
That's 65-year-old lady's muscle.
This one is the one. Look at that. That's from shoveling.
Shoveling, yeah. Okay, go ahead, make a muscle. Do it again. Do it. That's incredible. That's scary. I'm glad you're not violent.